Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today with BK. Hope everybody's doing okay. Just up early on this Saturday morning, and I know if anyone has a C7, you know that for some reason that Chevrolet GM did not get forged wheels on them. So I've had an issue here where I had to buy these. Thankfully, someone had these on their C6, I think, and these are Grand Sport, the machine face style. This is what came with this vehicle, and I have the original ones here that were on that vehicle. Those are the run flats, factory, with the machine face. You can kind of see them there. And also with the carbon center caps, which I don't see too often on vehicles. So, but getting back to it, we're talking about these cracked rims. I was nervous, and usually it's with those run flats is the problem. So I found this person online on Facebook Marketplace who had these Continental tires, and I love the way it rides with them. And you know, I know we can go back and forth on run flats and, oh, what if you get a flat and all that. Well, it's just life. And but for the sound and the softness, I really enjoy these. So my thing is, since I got these, they're still the cast aluminum wheels. And when you have, you know, this size 335s on the back, it's going to crack, and normally it's going to crack on that back side. So you're going to have to be aware of that, or keep an eye on that, look for that if you have these type of wheels. And it's not just this style, it's any of the Grand Sport Z06 wheels in the chrome or the black chrome or the machine face, whatever. So basically, what I decided to do was go with these factory reproduction chrome wheels. I really like chrome, and this one has the chrome badging package, you know. So that in the back where it says Corvette and shows the badge, excuse the dirty car, but I think that's going to make this pop. I mean, clearly I'll put the Corvette center caps in them, but this was not something I wanted to play with on this Chinese machine here. I can do anything else. I've done the C4, probably could do C5 wheels, but due to the width of these, and I wanted the touchless, so I went to A to Z. You can look them up there in Lexington, South Carolina. A to Z, great people, and didn't charge me any extra, nothing. But clearly they have a touchless tire installer. Touchless means that over here I have to use a bar and try to take the lip up to take the tire off, and then the duck head will actually put it back on. And on the touchless, it will not touch. A lot of times it has such power, push in, lift up, and it will not touch the wheel. And they barely needed any. They did row force balance, barely needed any weights. I mean, it's crazy. So I'm looking forward to how this thing rides. So I'm gonna get these things on. Excuse how dirty they are. The whole car needs to be clean, so I'm just gonna clean it all at one time. And because I'm looking forward to Vets versus the Dragon in September. And these are the flow forged. Hopefully I said that right. It's early, but I got the same Continental Extreme contact. I absolutely love these. This is what I was driving on the Tail of the Dragon last time. They grip as crazy as you can grip. I mean when you got 335s in the back, they're gonna grip, unless you got these. I mean, these aren't the best traction. Those right there have about 10,000 miles on them, believe it or not. You have 10,000 miles on those, but they look like they're slick from the factory. But these are all season style tires. So I'm looking forward to not having to, I used to have the TPMS sensor, pressures up, and worried about that. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. You know, in case I could keep from a tire blowing and tearing up the vehicle. But these things are made to be driven. If something happens, you got insurance. You just do what you got to do. I mean, these things are getting stolen left and right, and it's ridiculous. But hey, shout out if you've got a Grand Sport Z06 with this these size wheels and tires. Let me know if you've had any problems with the cracking. But let's get these wheels on. I'm not going to, clearly, I mean, you know, there's tons of videos how to put wheels on. So I'm just going to get them on there, and we'll come back and show you what it looks like. Well, got them on. And then let's just say I'm very, very pleased. Probably these things will last, will not be a cracking wheel like the original ones. I don't think I said it earlier, but one has been repaired on the front, and then one on the back side I tried to repair, but other than that, that one would have to be fixed. The rest of them hold air just fine. Those are run flats on there if someone's looking for those. It's the same machine face like this, and they're in really good shape. Those right there only really have 10,000 miles on them. When I got the C7, it had 10,000 miles on it, and those were on there. And so those wheels don't have that many miles. I don't know how many of these do, but these aren't in bad shape. But I'm going to keep those because I do like that machine face. So let's talk about a few things here. I really like how it shows the caliper. That is the Spice Red package. So if you look at the color of the top and the caliper, so that looks nice. I will say too, this bolt here, I've looked at some other videos. That's why I didn't do a step-by-step. Everybody says 13, but try a ½ inch. You'll thank me later. ½ inch is snug and fits really well on there. Not sure what the deal is with that, but check that out. So check back here, the rear ones. They pop really well. I like the angle of how these things, these chrome just pop at any angle. So now I'm gonna take this thing out and make sure it rides nice. They were road force balanced, and you know, just make sure it rides nice. And I'm pleased. If it pulls at all or anything, I'll get alignment, but I didn't have to do that when I bought these as well. And this is the same tire and the same setup, so we'll see what happens there. But let me know if you own a C7 Grand Sport or C7 Z06, and a C7 is the only generation that had this. Why they did this, I know it's probably for money reasons, but why would you get cast wheels on something this wide of a wheel? So and with the roads the way they are now, it's just you can't drive anywhere without some pothole somewhere or some divot, something like that. So but let me know in the comments what y'all think, if you like the chrome. Like I said, it looks good with the badging there. That's what I was wanting. Kind of bling, pulls out the badging. So let me know what y'all think, and thanks for supporting the channel. I appreciate the subscribers. Hang on, because the subscribers out here for the XT6 and other things, I'm getting back to it. We're gonna do some things on that. Monte Carlo, we're gonna do some things on this. So just stay tuned, and hope you have a good day. Today with BK out.